beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thanks for joining me today, guys. So guys, I have my brown sugar box. This is the Izzy and Liv brown sugar box for the month of December 2022. They normally send this box towards the end of the month, but they've been sending it a little bit earlier, so I just got it today. And instead of wasting time, I decided I would go ahead and open it up and show you what's in here. So guys, this is the box. This is a monthly subscription. If you're not aware, this box costs $42 a month plus shipping and handling, and I guess taxes based on where you live. So in this box, it's considered more like a black lifestyle box. There's various products that they send. Each month has a different theme. This is my paid for box. I've been receiving this box for a couple of years now, and I enjoy receiving this box. I think they have some of the most coolest little products in here. So if you haven't checked this out before, this may be something you're interested in and you want to support a black owned woman business, then this may be something for you to consider. So without further delay, guys, let's get into what's in this box. And this is your sneak peek. And guys, they have done away with the magazine, so now all we get is our lovely little card here. It'll give you the theme. On the back here, you will get the 2 QR cards, and they will tell you, you just scan this and it'll just basically take you to the page. It'll give you a magazine, and it'll show you what is in this month's box, what options you could have received, what the total value of the box is. So we're just going to use my trusty phone here, and we're going to get started and start with our box. The theme for this box is Me, Myself, and I edition, and I love that. I think that's pretty cool. So we got a box dedicated to ourself. So let's see what's in this box this month. So guys, we have the Me, Myself, and I edition of our box. So the first item I'm going to pull out for our box here, we have a candle. Okay, so we have a Confidence Culture Soul candle. It's a sage pillar candle. Let me pop it out so I can show you guys what it looks like. And I am just surprised how well it came after being bounced around through the mail system. So this is our candle, guys. Isn't it cool? So it says it's sage, but honestly, I don't really smell sage. I smell something a little fruity, but it says sage. So on one side, we have Izzy and Liv's name here. On the next side, we have soul. On the next side of our candle, we have confidence. And on the very last side, we have culture. I think that's really, really cool. I love candles. If you do not know on this channel, I do love my candles. So I can't wait to burn this. I'm trying to think if I have something. I want to put this in something where that in case the wax comes down, it's not like kind of making a big mess. So I'm gonna have to find one of my candle bases that I could put this in. But I think this is really cool. So guys, our magazine said that there was more than one option for the candle. You could have received, it was 4 options for the candle here. So I'm going to pull it up and show you what the options were. And the candle is valued at $33, guys. We have options, 4 options. So you could have received, what are the candle scents? You could have received sage, honeysuckle, bamboo, or cotton. And there's 4 different colors. So this is the one that I received in my box. You do not get to pick anything. They pick everything for you guys. So I didn't get any choice or anything in which one I got or which of any of the items that I received. But I just wanted to let you know they pick everything. So this is valued at $32. I think this is really cool. Definitely when you're with yourself. I love lighting candles, so that's perfect for me. So let's go on to our next item in our box, guys. So the next thing I'm pulling out here looks like we have some lip balms. Yeah, lip butters. Nourishing and softening lip butters. And we have a few in here. I believe you only there was no other option for this one, guys. So you just received this set here. And it says Afro Diva Lip Nourishing and Softening Lip Butters. This set is valued at $22. It says chapped wear. Dry lips are never an option. Pucker up to the smoothest and moisturizing for your lips. You will receive 4 scents: coconut, mint, grapefruit, and watermelon. And again, this is valued at $22, guys. So they have different little prints. I'm just dropping them already. Look. This one is like an afro. The lady has an afro. And then you have another few ladies here on the lip moisturizers. I think this is pretty cool. If you want to share this with friends, I think it's great because you can just give them one in their little gift bags or in their little stocking stuffers. I think this is really cool. So how neat. Let me see if it really smells like what it says it smells like. The fragrances are not very loud, to be quite honest with you. I'm not smelling anything overpowering or anyway. Yeah, they're very light fragrant. So if you have a sensitivity to fragrance, you may be okay with this because they're not very heavy at all whatsoever. So I think that's really good. So that's our second item out of this box, guys. So let's see what the next thing is. And ooh, we got a planner. So this is the Izzy and Liv 2023 Planner and Self-Care Journal. I love this idea. I love journals and planners, so I just like to try and organize my life the best way I can and stay on top of some of my goals. And I find planners are a great way to kind of get yourself to the next level by kind of outlining how you're going to get there, what steps need to be taken, how you're doing those steps. I think they're great. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here, but here's a little bookmark. Isn't it so cool? And you open it up and it says, good things will happen when you set your priorities straight. I love that. Love that. And you get the the whole year calendar here. And then it has every month outlined here with a tab. And I think that's really cool. You get a place to write some notes, which is awesome. You get a monthly calendar. And then it also has like what's your January priorities, your self-care intentions for the month. There's a page for that. I think that is really, really cool. And then you have a place for affirmations and mantras. And then you have your week by week planner on each page. I think that's so cool. And it also has a habit tracker in here. And it says to do work, to do personal. So I think that's really good. That's a good way to kind of help you with building yourself up and kind of getting yourself to the next goal. I love this idea with the planner. Awesomeness. So there was no other option for the planner, guys. It was just that one there. The planner is valued at $28. So this was the only design for the planner for the month, okay? So our next item we have here, I love in December, Izzy and Liv always gives you a calendar. They have the most coolest prints in these calendars. You only receive one particular calendar. There was no other options. This calendar is valued at $18. And it says Black Girls Illustrated 2023. And it says, word on the street is you love our 2022 calendar. The response was so strong we had to do it again. Cheers to another 12 months of Black girl art. I think the art in these calendars are awesome. I'm flipping through so I can kind of show you guys what's in the calendar. But I really do enjoy getting these calendars. I'm real old school. I like writing on calendars. I like writing stuff on them. That's just me. If you can't appreciate it, that's on you. But I enjoy using an actual real calendar and having something real to look at every day, especially for work. So these come in handy. Absolutely. So guys, we are down to the very last item in our box here. And it looks like pajamas. I'm not sure. Is it pajamas? Let's see. Let's take it out the bag. Look at this. It says on here, Flower Girl. This is in size large. That's the size that I choose for my box. So instead of a shirt of the month, we got this. So let me pull it out and show you guys. So, yep, it looks like pajamas to me. Or a lounge set or something. Let's see. Let me take away all of this stuff here. So guys, this is the print. Isn't this beautiful? This is really cool. So guys, this product is 100% polyester, and it does say hand wash, but I think this is really cool. And we also got the matching bottoms. They have an elastic waist at the top here, which is stretchy. And the bottom is also finished like the top of the top, just to give you a little bit more detail. So that's how the bottom of the pants leg is finished. And I think this is cool. So it's the same print on the top and the bottom. I think that is so cool. That does say self-care to me, definitely. Let's see if there were any other options for this in the box. The pajama set is valued at $52. There were 4 options of which you could have received for this. So those are the first 2, and then the other 2 here, which one was a lighter color and a darker color. And they have, one was Afro Flower, which is the one that I have here. And Afro Flower Child, I'm sorry, is the name of that one. She Zen is the other option. Botanical Feathers and Black Royalty was the last option. So again, with this box, you generally get a shirt, but sometimes they change things up and they give you other things instead, which I think is cool. I always could use and I like the fact these are nice and light, because in the wintertime, you know, either you're super cold or you get in the bed and you wake up and you're sweating. So the fact that these are nice and light actually works great for me, because then I know I won't be, you know, sweating in the middle of the night. And I'll have something that's kind of light on, but really, really cute. I think this is great to lounge around in. Nice looking pajamas. Our total box value this month, guys, was $152 with all the products that is inside. Again, the theme was, what was it? Me, Myself, and I edition. So we have, for self-care, we have our pajama set to lounge around in. We have a beautiful candle to light. And again, another soft fragrance. The fragrance off of this is not very strong, and it doesn't really smell sagey to me. It smells a little fruity, but they said it's sage, but it smells a little fruity to me. And we also have our calendar here to start 2023 off with, and we also have our journal and planner so we can set our intentions and priorities for 2023. And we have our moisturizing lip balms here as well. So that was everything that was in my box this month, guys. Let me know, was anything in here like your favorite item? I love getting stuff like this. I thought this month's box was really, really good. I think they hit the theme like right on with the self-care, me, myself, and I think the planner and the calendar are great ways to invest into yourself for the future, for the new year. I love that. And I love the pajamas, the lounge around it. I love the candle, because you could be writing in your journal, have your candle lit, start thinking about what you want to set your intentions for 2023. And then, you know, while you got your pajamas on, make sure your lips is nice and moisturized, and put you on some lip balm. I think everything in here kind of goes together. I'm very pleased with this month's box. I hope you guys have signed up for this. If you haven't, think about it. They do let you skip months on this subscription, so that's something to keep in mind. If it's a subscription, you want to take a pause on it, you could plan out when you even take the pause. They give you the option throughout the whole year. I think that's awesome. But guys, if you enjoyed today's content and you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I would appreciate it if you became a part of our family here on this channel. If you enjoy things like subscription unboxings, makeup, beauty, as well as I'm a purse lover, so I do like to share what I get with you guys. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I would just love it if you became a part of my family here on this channel. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. It will keep you up to date with me on all my latest videos. But until next time, guys, stay blessed. Enjoy this holiday time with your family. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.